This presentation will focus on the project management process by describing procedures for evaluating and selecting projects. This is achieved by outlining the criteria for project selection models and then covers the general nature of these models. Although a basic overview, the types of models in use and their advantages and disadvantages is important for any project. Considering the degree of uncertainty associated with many projects, and then it is important to cover selection models concerned with risk and uncertainty. To comprehensively model a project, data is required, and the appropriate documentation is needed for the evaluation and selection process via project proposals and the general trend of selection models in the past and for the probable future. The following specific points need to be considered when modeling a project. Primary model selection criteria are realism, capability, flexibility, ease of use and cost. Preparatory steps in using a model include identifying the firm's objectives, weighting them relative to each other, and determining the probable impacts of the project on the firm's competitive abilities. Project selection models can generally be classified as either numeric or non-numeric. Numeric models are further subdivided into profitability and scoring categories. Non-numeric models include the sacred cow, the operating necessity, the competitive necessity, and comparative benefit. Profitability models include such standard forms as payback period, rate of return, discounted cash flow, and profitability index. Scoring models include the unweighted 0 to 1 factor model, the weighted factor scoring model, the constrained weighted factor scoring model, Dean and Nishri's model, and goal programming with multiple objectives. For handling uncertainty, pro forma documents, risk analysis, and simulation with sensitivity analyses are all helpful. Special care should be taken with the data used in project selection models. Of concern are data taken from an accounting database, how data are measured and conceived, and the effect of technological shock. Project proposals generally consist of a number of sections: the technical approach, the implementation plan, the plan for logistic support and administration, and past experience. The history of project selection models has shown an increase in the use of formal models, particularly profitability models. We feel the future will extend the use of multiple criteria and simulation models, especially with the wide use of the microcomputer. We hope you enjoyed the project selection modeling presentation. Next we will be considering the selection of the appropriate manager for a project and what characteristics are most helpful for such a position. Also going to be addressed is the issue of the project manager's special role, and the demands and responsibilities of this critical position. Until next time, we from Project Management Companion, hope you keep your projects on track, within scope and budget. Thanks you.